Hi viewers, welcome back to CNC Router CAD/CAM YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to explain about a die making machine, the die which is used for ball making in jewelry industries. So this is the die picture. You can see this is the kind of die we have to machine. So before do the actual machining process, we have to design that a particular file, that is CAD file you have to make as shown here, and from that files we have to create the necessary G codes to give to the CNC machine. So this is the CNC machine. So before seeing the demo how this machining of die is done, we will first see the ball making machine. So you can just see this machine, how the copper tube or the gold tube or silver tube, whatever the ball material you want to use, accordingly that material tube you can make for the required diameter and then can feed into the machine. When it go through the die with punch effect, the ball shape will create and it will be pushed outside, so step by step. So that this is the ball making machine. So the ball making machine have two main features. One is just pressing the copper tube and other one is pushing it out. So these two things is the main function of the ball making machine, but the actual shape of the ball is created by the die shape. So you can see the copper tube is pressed between two die pieces. So the shape of the die will decide the size and shape of the output balls, whatever the ball we are going to manufacture. So this is the function of the ball making machine, and so the creating the right kind of die with right kind of shape and right kind of size is very important. So it can be done with solid machines. Solid machine have that variety of application it is used, and this is one of the application, that is die making. You can please watch the demo. After watching the demo, if you have any comments, you can comment it below, and kindly subscribe this channel for this kind of information regarding CNC router and CAD/CAM softwares. So this demo is sponsored by Szolid Machinzs. Thank you very much.